Hey guys, okay, so I'm just making a little video here to show you how to make an assignment in Canvas through Google, through your Google Suite. So basically you can assign, just like you did in Google Classroom, you can assign those Google Slides or Google Docs and it'll make a copy for the kids in Canvas. And it's just an external tool to do that. So I've been working in my Canvas on this 40 book challenge module that I'd like to have for my students. And so I have a page that just has directions, and then I'm going to add some assignments in here. So the first one is just the book challenge response sheets, and so I'm going to go in and edit this to give it actually an assignment. And you can see I've already started working on this. I gave them some directions on what they're supposed to do. And then I'm coming under, it's a reading classwork assignment, and so under submission I'm going to click external tool. From there I'm going to find it. And this is the external tool you have configured, is a Google Docs Cloud assignment. When you click on that, it's going to populate things that are in your Google Drive. So I'm just going to search for book challenge. And here's my book challenge response sheets. I'm going to click that and click submit. And I'm going to select it. And so now this is the external tool. It's basically going to create the assignment for them, almost like it did in Google Classroom where it makes a copy. And I like to click load this tool in a new tab, so when students click on it, it puts it in a new tab for them so they can work and they have more room on the screen to actually do the assignment. And that's literally all you have to do. You click save and publish, and now it's going to be there for them. And when the only thing that you have to make sure is that you have to teach them how to get into their school passport and have them open up their Gmail, have that Gmail open on a tab, so that then when they get into Canvas, they have access to all of the G Suite stuff. So when you can see what's going to happen, and this is going to load this in a new tab for them. For the students, it's going to come up and they're going to have these Google Slides that basically they can edit and then submit to you. For them, this little spot up here isn't going to say book challenge response sheets, it's going to say submit. So they're going to work on them and then they can submit them through Canvas that way. And you can do that with any assignments that you want that you have in your Google Drive. And so I'll show you one more time the other one I wanted to do. So I'm just building in this module. I'm going to do another assignment, and this one is going to be the book challenge. I think I called it poster board. And I'm going to add that item. And again, I'm going to create an external tool assignment. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to edit this. And this is just keep track of the books you've read with this digital board, period. Okay? And then the directions are going to actually be on the Google slide. So I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to say submission type is an external tool, just so you guys can kind of see me walk through the steps of it again. Come down to Google Docs Cloud assignment. Let it populate. Book challenge. Poster board, first quarter, submit. I'm going to select it. I want it to load in this tool in a new tab. And I'm going to save and publish it. And then you can see what they're going to get here. I created this little Google slide, almost kind of like the boards we have in class, but I did it with the different genres. And so here it's like a drag and drop screen. So when they read realistic fiction, let's see if I can zoom in on this a little bit. When they read a historical fiction or a mystery, they're just going to drag and drop it to kind of like keep track, like I read that book. and I have some directions for them. And so anyway, that's kind of, and the other thing that's really cool about this is I've gone in and made assignments before, and you can go back to your Google Drive and edit it, and it actually will, because it's linked originally to your drive, as long as the students haven't started working on it yet, it will automatically change it for them. I went back in and checked that one time because I had made a mistake and it automatically fixed it. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope that's helpful, and yeah, bye guys.